Hey guys, how you doing? In my other video, I showed you how to easily split windows in a Windows computer, but now I'm going to show you how to easily split those windows in a Mac computer. So I'm just going to be splitting windows so I can see my grades on one side and my grade book on the other side so I could put those together. So all I'm going to do is hover here on top of the green. So when I go on the green, I could just hover it. If I click on it, it's going to make it big, right? Or click on it makes it small. But if I just hover on the top, then it's going to go ahead and give me those options. I also could just hold it down and it'll give me those options as well. I'm going to want this screen on the left side. And then if you notice, my other screen pops up. So I'm going to pick this screen, which would be my grade book. Of course, I can't show you my students on the side, but you could easily see how I could have my grades and I could click on things on this side. I could click on things on this side. It's not going to mess up either window. So I could easily put in my grades. And then, of course, if I want to go back, then I could just exit back out again to get another window. All right, guys. See you later. Have a good night.